right now we're talking to Dr. Tony, and he has the best supplements I have ever seen. And I just want you to meet him because his history is so different. And the fact that you had your family trauma and then you developed these nutrients, how did you start that?
Well, I was a sickly child. I grew up on a farm back in my native Ireland. I was always at the doctor. I was on Ding Dongs, donuts, Big Gulps, French fries, soda pop, pizza, Pepsi, Prozac, fried bread, bacon, eggs, sausages. I looked like the Michelin Man. I was just a mess. I was sick all the time. I was at the doctor all the time. And the worst part was I was having terrible nightmares, really bad nightmares, because I was taking medication to calm me down. And even worse still, if you can imagine this, can you imagine a young man growing up on a farm in Ireland in a dark country house, afraid of the dark? I was afraid of the dark. And so they put me on medication because I was so nervous and so scared. And one night I thought the bogeyman was coming after me. I ran out of my country farmhouse and I ran through the forestry for at least 20 minutes, 30 minutes or more. Remember, I was having a nightmare. I fell into some water. I'm running in my shorts. I fell into some water and I woke up. So now I'm in a conscious state and I have to walk back through all the brush. And my late mother spent 2 days taking thorns out of my feet and out of my legs because of that terrible nightmare. That's when I decided to become a doctor.
Wow. Spectacular. And thank God for that. I mean, some of the products that he has produced, I mean, the joint support is excellent.
Yeah, that's a $20 billion industry. So many people think, I got to run to the doctor. I got to run to the doctor every single day. Medicine is broken in this country. This is why I've written 15 books up here on television and radio all over the country, all over the United States. And this is why I love chiropractic. And there's a whole story behind that as well. A personal story, how chiropractic actually helped me get back on track again. So when you have poor ease of movement or poor mobility, it's due to several things, primarily inflammation or just a lack of water or not getting enough chiropractic treatments. So chiropractic treatments is a non-invasive, affordable, effective way to get your body back on track, to bring a level of balance and homeostasis in a godly way. There's no drugs involved here. So the herbs that are actually in the joint support capsules are designed to help you maintain and reduce inflammation as much as possible, but at the same time,
there's no chemicals in here?
No, there's no chemicals in here.
It's just plants?
It's just plants, exactly.
God, it's almost like we're designed to live here.
Exactly.
Wait a second. So does that mean that the prostate formula is also just plants, no chemicals?
Why would you go and snip a part of your body that doesn't need to be snipped? And this is why medicine is broken. You know that as a chiropractic physician. Mm-hmm. I know that as a doctor. These herbs are designed to bring balance, to help you have a better quality of life, to allow you to function much more effectively, and to allow more joy and health and happiness in your life.
And if you have somebody that's nutrient deficient versus someone that has sufficient nutrients that are available, and that's what I like about yours. You're not just having pretty colored urine. Your body is able to absorb these, and then you can utilize them. Now, where can people get these?
Oh, well, they can get them on your website, drbergmanchiropractic.com.
It's bergmanchiropractic.com and Radiant Greens.
Radiant Greens with an S, radiantgreens.com. We have the omegas here as well. We have the adrenals, the turmeric, the greens, the vitamin C, everything that you need to stay healthy and stay well. bergmanchiropractic.com or Radiant Greens with an S.
Get to radiantgreens.com. Start getting this stuff in your body, particularly when we're coming into the wintertime, when we're in the low solar minimum. So it's time to get your omega-3s, your vitamin D3s, so that you can maintain a strong, healthy immune system throughout the wintertime. Or go to bergmanchiropractic.com.